Since the beginning of mankind, there is a special phenomenon where people from different walks of life, from different parts of the world, generation to generation, have an intrinsic desire within themselves to look for the Creator. They feel deep within their core that there is a powerful entity, one that is omnipotent, merciful, and transcendent. This is what has been referred to as an innate nature, or simply put, the natural disposition, which is described as fitrah in Arabic. What we can understand is this: to look for something powerful, to rely on one true deity, to submit to and worship is an instinct and a need of a human being. Had there been other gods beside Allah in the heavens or the earth, both realms would have surely been corrupted. So glorified is Allah, Lord of the throne, far above what they claim. If they happen to be aboard a ship caught in a storm, they cry out to Allah alone in sincere devotion. But as soon as He delivers them safely to shore, they associate others with Him once again. And if you ask them, those who disbelieve in God, who created the heavens and the earth, they would definitely say, Allah. Say, praise be to Allah. In fact, most of them do not know. First, let us look at the name Allah. The term Allah refers to the essence which is necessary in existence and rightfully worshipped. Allah is independent from any support from other than Himself, and all other than Him are in need of Him. It is the identifying name or title of the one and only true God. This name applies to none other but Him. According to the scholars of Islam, divinity is attached to the word Allah. He is the possessor of divinity, and none should have a share in this tremendous attribute. When Allah describes about His divinity in the Quran, it will be accompanied by a command of servitude. In servitude, the believers attribute Allah alone for worship. Here are some verses where Allah talks about His divinity, accompanying them with commands of servitude. It is truly I am Allah. There is no God worthy of worship except me. So worship me alone and establish prayer for my remembrance. We never send a messenger before you, O Prophet, without revealing to him, there is no God worthy of worship except me. So worship me alone. As we can see clearly here, that every mention of Allah's divinity is accompanied with a command to worship and submit to Him. Everything about the creations is subjugated to Allah and is under His control.
إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار والفلك التي تجري في البحر بما ينفع الناس وما أنزل الله من السماء من ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وبث فيها من كل دابة وتصريف الرياح والسحاب المسخر بين السماء والأرض لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, the alternation of the day and the night, the ships that sail the sea for the benefit of humanity, the rain sent down by Allah from the skies, reviving the earth after its death, the scattering of all kinds of creatures throughout, the shifting of the winds and the clouds, drifting between the heavens and the earth. In all of this are surely signs for people of understanding. understanding.